Look. That's a hat. Do you want to wear a hat? You look lit. That's the bussin'. Oh. Hey y'all's Melvin here, and I got 2 quarter pipes from OC Ramps. So yeah, this footy I'm about to show you is from the past few months of me kind of building it and setting it up and riding it and stuff. So let's look at that. So come on, let's go look at the footy. Let's go. Hey you y'alls. So I just got a phone call from the trucker driver saying that my quarter pipes are almost here. Each one is supposed to weigh 300 pounds and they're gonna need me to do some heavy lifting. They're gonna need me to help unload them. I think I heard the truck pulling up.
What's your first name?
Melvin.
You the lucky one today?
That's me.
So you're the one that's gonna assist me to get this down?
I heard it weighs a lot.
Did you have your Wheaties this morning or your beans?
Yeah, I did have beans this morning.
Stand clear, okay?
Okay. Nice. Do you unload a lot of skateboard ramp stuff?
I unload a bunch of stuff just like this.
Nice.
I'm gonna have you get on that side and give me a push, okay?
Okay, so I just push it?
Yep.
Okay, push.
There you go. I'm gonna have you sign your name here.
What else are you delivering today?
A little bit of everything. We got a sofa, we got a hot tub.
Wow. Sofa, hot tub, and skate park. Sounds like a good day. Bye now. Bye. Oh, shoot. Okay, I went and got the ceremonial card opening knife, so I guess I'll just start slicing and see where that leads us. I wonder if I can move this. Nope. Oh, what are these things? You know? Oh. Okay, now let's see if I can move this. Nope. I wonder if he would help me maybe. Should I ask him or, oh, hi, he waved. He's probably en route somewhere. How am I going to do this? Maybe I'll try opening the boxes and see if I can take some of the parts out like that. That did it. I think that's making it work. Look, there's all the wood and stuff. Wow. Melvin destroy. Melvin wants skate park. Give me skate park now. Okay, what's the logical way to do this? Probably take it out piece by piece and make sure nothing gets mixed up, right? Yeah, that sounds pretty logical to me. I'm a working man, I'm a working man. And that's the whole box, nice. So now I just have to do that all one more time. So yeah, I got all of the parts, you know, I got the screws and gloves and the old drill, and I just started drilling away. Throughout the process, I realized it was pretty hard to do with just one person, you know? Because there was a lot of weird, like, balancing stuff, especially at the beginning, but, you know, I kind of just worked where I had it and leaned things on other things until I was able to get a stable support. Yeah, and once it kind of started to come together a little bit more, it was like standing up on its own, so that made it easier. But I still kind of had to use like a little tripod thing to kind of hold some of the pieces up while I drilled them. Oh, and then it also started sliding around everywhere when I was trying to drill it, so I kind of had to lean it against walls.
Silly dilly songs, silly dilly songs.
And yeah, there were kind of some weird angles that they wanted you to drill into like that. Yeah, but it wasn't too heavy at this point, so it's kind of, you know, just a matter of putting things on, drilling in, and going to town. The problem I started to encounter was none of the holes were pre-drilled, so I started stripping a lot of screws by accident. So on the next ramp, I ended up pre-drilling all the holes so I wouldn't strip the screws, you know? I also kind of had trouble with the instructions because they kind of weren't very clear. So I ended up putting some of the boards in the wrong spot and having to like drill holes that were supposed to be there. Oh, and then this part, I needed 2 people. Whoa. Beans, drill it. No, get the drill. I feel like I can't do this on my own.
Okay, Melvin, hurry up and drill it. Melvin, I'm starting to slip. Melvin, hurry. Melvin, hurry.
But yeah, after that, all that was left to do is just drill in the bottom plate part, you know, and then get to skating. Okay, first drop in on the new quarter pipe. Ready? YouTube, ready, Mika the vampire girl? Okay, ready, Beans? Here we go. Wow, well, I dropped in on it, and I also finished building the second ramp about 3 months ago. So yeah, let's do some more skating on them. Hey, look, Beans wants to skate it too. Whoa. Kick flip. Yeah, you may be able to tell I kind of haven't been skating vert that much lately, but I've been really trying to just practice with these and, you know, kind of get back some vert tricks that I used to know. And I feel like even in just like the little amount of time that I've had these, I've already kind of remembered some of them. Like I want to try to get like a proper tail stall again, because that used to kind of be my thing. So, ooh, let's see if I can get that. Ooh. Oh, that was closer. Oh. Oh. Was that it? So yeah, like I said, I'm still kind of trying to get my vert skating back how it kind of used to be, but ooh, I kind of want to just show them to you all now. So yeah, you know, that's kind of the quarter pipe. I realized on YouTube there weren't a lot of videos kind of just like showing them all around in their height and stuff, so I kind of wanted to get like some dynamic angles and kind of just show you all what they look like if you were maybe thinking of getting one. Yeah, so I think they're probably like 3 feet tall-ish, maybe 4. That's how tall it is, you know, compared to my skateboard. And I ended up getting the 6-foot wide. The next size down was 4 feet, and you can see it would be from where that seam is to the end there. So they're a little bit thinner, but you know, if you're okay with that, then you know that works. Yeah, here's the other one. And this one, I actually ended up putting OC Ramps weatherproof paint on it. And they've actually already been snowed on and rained on accidentally a few times. And they're still holding up well. You know, this one has the weatherproof and that one doesn't, but they both seem like they're doing okay after accidentally getting drenched. And I also ended up buying a tarp for each ramp, you know, just in case the weatherproofing on them isn't enough. I kind of just throw the old tarp over there. Yeah, you know, kind of like that. And, you know, just throw some old heavy rock on that I got at the old hardware store. And yeah, tarp ramp caveman. One more thing that I wanted to talk about with them is they're really hard to lift, and I actually can't lift them when it's just me on my own. In the videos online, they kind of show people lifting them from here, but this is just like a metal floppy board just screwed in with 2 screws. So I kind of want to take this video opportunity to see if I can figure out a way to lift these by one person, and I actually ended up getting a dolly. Let's just see if we can't jimmy rig a way up to lift these on our own. Is there like some sort of a wedge that I can wedge to wedge here? Oh, okay. Oh, I don't want to smash my little fingies. Why do I feel like I'm gonna smash my whole body under this somehow? Maybe I'll try to wedge this under to hold it up. We just put that there. Okay. It's really just this thing in the way. I guess I could technically just take it off every time. One time in 2016, I built a skateboard for Braille skateboards, and everyone in the comments commented that I built it wrong and was giving me physics lessons on how to build it proper. Can some of those people come to this video and give me physics lessons on how to lift this, please? Oh, I think I'm getting it. It's working. Please don't drop it on. Ow, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm actually stuck. I did it. I moved the ramp. Yeah, I kind of feel like that's not meant to be moved by one person. Okay, I ended up just getting a drill, and I'm just gonna take this metal part off and see if that helps at all. Oh, I didn't even need the dolly lifter. And I'll probably put those back down to put it back down, you know, so even if it falls, it won't smash my little knuckles. Oh, that was really easy. And now just ride it on downtown. Okay, let's just do it and see if I have fingers in a minute. Oh, there we go. Okay, let's see. Oh, okay. Let's see if this works. Oh, nice. Wow, that was really gentle. Okay, there we go on that one. Oh, whoa, it got hooked and that was kind of scary, but wow. Oh, shoot, okay. We're figuring it out. It's a contraption, you know? Okay, there's that one. There. Okay, lower it back to safety. Wow, I think that kind of worked. Okay, so I got these kind of lined up and smashed together. Yeah, let's just see if we can do a little bit of long ramp skating. Whoa. My shoe flew off my foot. How am I not in more pain? Okay, I'm just gonna do it. Just go for it. Just commit, full send, and be like beans. Whoa, that was it. Well, that was the footy, you know, that was it. I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, it's just kind of the adventure that I've been on. Yeah, you know, it's been fun. I've just kind of been riding around on it, trying to learn new tricks and having some wacky falls. And like, ouchie, I fell off. You know, it's just been a good old rampy old time. Oh yeah, and also just another reminder, face masks are live at fobtac.com/merch, along with, you know, hats and stickers and stuff. Yeah, you know, I really like how they came out. They have the adjustable straps and, you know, the adjustable colors, and I think they're pretty lit and bussin' fire straight to She-Town, bruh. Sorry. Yeah, and another random act of bussin' that has been happening is my Twitch streams. Yeah, you know, I've just been finishing up BioShock, and we're still doing the Friday night mall streams, and we're throwing in a little extra kooky and wackiness sprinkled in here and there. And yeah, hopefully, you know, you all can check that out, and Beans is there too. Yeah, so I guess that's about it for this video. You know, I had a lot of fun making this one, and I actually set it a goal for myself that I want to upload 8 more YouTube videos this year. So, ooh, we'll see if that happens, and hopefully I'll see you there. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and this experience and this framing device that I used because it took me 5 months to film this. Bye now. Like, ouchie, I fell off.